Tired of a messy Dropbox full of files you just don't need anymore? Maybe it's old screenshots, duplicate documents, or projects from years ago that are just taking up space. If you're hitting your storage limit or you just can't find what you're looking through all the clutter, I've got you covered. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to delete those files in seconds and take back control of your account. So here's the plan. We're going to walk through everything step by step. First, we'll sign into your Dropbox. Then we'll locate the files you want to get rid of, and finally, we'll delete them. I'll also show you what happens after you hit that delete button so there are no surprises. Alright, let's start by opening up your browser. Go ahead and head over to Dropbox.com. That's Dropbox.com. This is the main website where everything lives. You'll see a big sign-in button waiting for you. Now go ahead and log in with your email and password. If you use two-factor authentication, which you really should, just enter that code when it asks. Give it a second to load up your account. Once you're in, you'll see your main file view. This is your home base. Now we need to find the file or folder you want to remove. Think about what's taking up space and just click into the folder where it's stored. You might have to click through a couple of nested folders here. Take your time, there's no rush. Once you're in the right spot, find the specific file or folder you want to delete. Click on it once to select it. You'll see it get highlighted, usually with a blue check mark or a slight background color change. That's how you know it's selected and ready to go. Now, here's where the magic happens. You're going to click the three little dots that appear next to the file name. Those are sometimes called the ellipsis, but honestly, just look for those three dots in a row. If you prefer using your mouse, you can also just right-click directly on the file. Either way works perfectly fine. That will open up a menu with a bunch of options. You'll see things like Share, Rename, Move. What we're looking for is the one that says Delete. It's usually near the bottom of the list and might be in a red font. Go ahead and click that. Depending on your settings, Dropbox might ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it. It'll pop up with a little window that says something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this file?" You'll need to click a button that says Delete again to confirm. Just do that and you're all set. Now here's the really important part that a lot of people miss. When you delete a file from your main Dropbox folder, it doesn't actually vanish forever right away. It gets moved to a special folder called Deleted Files. Think of it like a trash can or a recycle bin on your computer. So let's go verify that. Over on the left-hand sidebar, you should see an option that says Deleted Files. Click on that. You should see your recently deleted files sitting right there. This is a great safety net in case you accidentally delete something important. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Dropbox. Remember, from here you have two choices. You can either leave it in that deleted files folder where it will automatically be removed after 30 days if you're on a free plan. Or, if you want it gone right now, you can permanently delete it from that folder. But be careful with that one because there is no undo. As an experienced user, I always recommend leaving it in that trash folder for a few days just in case you realize you need it back later. So there you have it. Your Dropbox is cleaner, more organized, and you're not wasting space on files you don't need. Thanks for sticking with me. Now go ahead and give it a try.